Hello friends, welcome back to my channel once again. In this video we are going to discuss 30 latest exit exam questions of basic training for oil and chemical tanker cargo operations OCTF. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like this video and share this video as much as you can. Thank you. Question number 1. The IBC code defines dash types of chemical tankers. Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4 and option D none of the above. Answer will be B, 3 types of chemical tankers. Question number 2. All VLCC normally has cargo tank heating arrangements as option A heating steam arrangement in the individual tanks by steam circulation, option B deck heaters electrically heated for circulation through heaters, option C deck steam heater heated by steam circulation, option D none of the above. Answer will be A, heating steam arrangement in the individual tank by steam circulation. Question number 3. Tankers will have additional fireman outfits other than normal requirement. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 4, option D no excess is required. Answer will be B, 2. Question number 4. Chemical tankers are required to comply with the various safety aspects of option A SOLAS chapter 6, option B SOLAS chapter 7, option C SOLAS chapter 8, option D SOLAS chapter 5. Answer is B, SOLAS chapter 7. Question number 5. If a cargo is of low flash point, it is said to be option A flammable, option B poisonous, option C toxic, option D non-flammable. Answer is A, flammable. Question number 6. What is the pump capacity depending on option A liquid viscosity, option B total pressure head, option C liquid temperature, option D suction pressure. Answer is B, total pressure head. Question number 7. As per definition of MARPOL Annex 1, a crude oil means a tanker designed to carry option A crude oil and other dirty oils, option B crude oil along with some refined products, option C crude oil only, option D crude oil but alternately may carry at times dirty and clean oil products also. Answer is C, crude oil only. Question number 8. What does code R stands in shipshore safety checklist? Option A remarks, option B request, option C require, option D rechecked. Answer is D, rechecked. Question number 9. Clean blast is normally option A blast water loaded directly into cargo tank after discharge, option B blast water loaded into cargo tanks which have been crude oil washed, option C blast water loaded into cargo tanks which have been crude oil water washed, option D blast water loaded in designated tanks used only for that purpose. Answer will be C, blast water loaded into cargo tanks which have been crude oil and water washed. Question number 10. How can you determine which grades of cargo a tanker vessel is permitted to carry? Option A check the loading order, option B ask the terminal supervisor or his representative, option C examine the cargo tanks and fittings, option D refer to the vessel certificate of inspection. Answer is D, refer to the vessel certificate of inspection. Question number 11. A fire extinguishing product produced by first mixing of foam concentrate with water to produce a foam solution is termed as option A light water, option B Helen 1301, option C chemical foam, option D DCP. Answer is A, light water. Next question. Question number 12. High IG temperature trip is about option A 55 degrees Celsius, option B 65 degrees Celsius, option C 75 degrees Celsius, option D 85 degrees Celsius. Answer will be C, 75 degrees Celsius. Question number 13. In the event of a pneumatic remote control failure in the inert gas plant, IP and EP control. Option A. The inert gas plant must be operational within 1 hour of failure and the discharge may continue. Option B. The discharge must be immediately halted. Option C. The discharge rate must be reduced until the plant is repaired. Option D. The venting of IG can be set to maintain a predetermined pressure and discharge. Answer will be B. The discharge must be immediately halted. Question number 14. Which of the following describes a liquefied gas? Option A. A liquid that needs to be stored at absolute zero to prevent from becoming gases. Option B. A gas that is mixed with another substance that causes it to liquefy. Option C. A substance that at normal temperature and pressure would be a gas. Option D. A liquid that requires to be heated above normal ambient temperature to make it gases. Correct answer will be C. A substance that at normal temperature and pressure would be a gas. Question 15. Black oils are generally option A. Static accumulators. Option B. Static non-accumulator. Option C. Both. And option D. None of the above. Answer will be B. Static non-accumulators. Question 16. Which cargo operations are to be recorded in the cargo record book for an oil and chemical tanker? Option A. All cargo operations involving NLS or ballast if taken in cargo tanks. Option B. All cargo operations involving NLS. Option C. All liquid cargo and bunker operations. Option D. All petroleum cargo loading operations. Answer will be B. All cargo operations involving NLS or ballast if taken in cargo tanks. Question 17. Crude oil of ship consists different types of. Option A. Inorganic and organic compounds. Option B. Oxygen and carbon. Option C. Nitrogen and phosphorus. Option D. Hydrocarbons. Answer is D. Hydrocarbons. Question number 18. Mast riser fire doesn't normally occur during. Option A. Purging. Option B. Discharging. Option C. Loading. And option D. Venting inert gas pressure during normal passage. Answer will be B. Discharging. Next question. Question number 19. When should employees be informed of the fire hazards to which they are exposed at work? Option A. Upon the initial assignment. Option B. Within 2 days of the initial assignment. Option C. Within 30 days of the initial assignment. Option D. Within 90 days of the initial assignment. Answer is A. Upon the initial assignment. Question number 20. While discharging cargo, if the oxygen content within the inert gas main is above the SOLAS 1974 recommendations that they cannot reduce it, what would be your actions? Option A. Continue with cargo operations. Option B. Call the chief engineer and continue with cargo operation. Option C. Stop all cargo operations. Option D. Call the master and continue with cargo operations. Answer is C. Stop all cargo operation. Question number 21. Dice certificate is a document issued at the discharge port by a representative of the consignee in charge. Option A. False. Option B. True. Answer is B. True. Question 22. Inert gas system, a mechanical method of introducing inert gas into a vessel's tank on a tanker. Option A. True. Option B. False. Answer is A. True. Question 23. Responsibility for the provision of SOPEP locker at an oil tanker rests with. Option A. Chief engineer. Option B. Tanker cargo trading company. Option C, pumpman of the vessel. Option D, chief officer. Answer is D, chief officer. Question 24. When loading by gravity, the last valve to be opened should be option A, for the cargo tank to be loaded into. Option B, the shore tank valve. Option C, the ship's manifold valve. Option D, the ship's drop line valve. Answer will be D, the ship's drop line valve. Question 25. IG blowers are to be fitted with inlet and outlet valves in gas line with dash seal. Option A, copper. Option B, aluminum. Option C, leather. Option D, rubber. Answer will be B, aluminum. Question 26. The material remaining in vessel tanks, void spaces and or pipelines prior to loading onboard quantity includes water, oil, slopes, oil residue, oil water emulsion, sludge and sediment. Option A, remaining unpumpable. Option B, slope quantity. Option C, sludge quantity. Option D, onboard quantity. Answer will be D, onboard quantity. Question number 27. After extinguishing a paint locker fire using the fixed CO2 system, the next step should be option A, opened and burned material removed. Option B, left closed with vents off until all boundaries are cool. Option C, checked for the proper oxygen level. Option D, opened and doused with water to prevent reflux. Answer will be B, left closed with vents off until all boundaries are cool. Question 28. Dash is considered as best material for IG blower impeller. Option A, chromium. Option B, steel. Option C, titanium. Option D, aluminum. Answer will be B, steel. Question 29. When starting a positive displacement pump, the discharge valve must be option A, cracked open. Option B, half open. Option C, fully open. Option D, fully closed. Answer is C, fully open. Question 30. The bursting pressure of new cargo hoses is required to be option A, 5 times working pressure. Option B, 3 times working pressure. Option C, 4 times working pressure. Option D, 2 times working pressure. Answer is A, 5 times working pressure. Thank you for watching this video.